Hi guys, my name is Himanshu Sharma. Welcome back to my channel. So let me get started with what I'll be doing now. So this is to inform you that I'll be starting a new playlist on data science with Python. As you can see, the Anaconda.navigator screen, right, where you can launch many various programs like Jupyter Notebook and VS Code, Spider, Panda. I hope there is Panda, or you can add it basically. So we'll be starting with data science in Python. I'm not a data scientist by profession. I'm just a student, but I know how to start with data science in Python. What are the basics you need to learn? Okay, so I'll be talking about basics of data science in Python. So let's get an overview of what we'll be doing in this playlist. So these are the things which we'll be doing in this course or playlist. First is the introduction video, that is this one, and then we'll be doing lists in Python. These are the type of arrays. The another type of arrays is tuple and dictionary, as it's written over here. Then we'll have an overview about loops, how loops work in Python, and then we'll do one or two programs on anagrams. Right, I'll explain you in that video what anagrams are, and then NumPy and Pandas, which everyone know are the two modules required for data science in Python. So this is the overview of the course. Okay, so in this video, let us start with the installation or setting up our environment. As I've shown you in the beginning of the video that you need to install Anaconda. So just I've shown you here, just go to your browser, right? And type download Anaconda. Sorry, download Anaconda. So Anaconda individual edition, just download this one, right? Download it and then set up the program and everything. And then here go to search and type Anaconda Navigator and open this, right? I've already opened because this Anaconda.navigator app takes a little time, right? So when this is open, we'll be doing most of our program on Jupyter Notebook, right? I suggest using Jupyter Notebook, but you can try VS Code and many others, or this also data lore. So we'll be launching the Jupyter Notebook. I've already launched it. You just have to press the button Jupyter Notebook and this might appear. These are the files you can open, right? You can also create new file. Go to new Python 3 and this will automatically create a Python 3 file, right? If you're not familiar with Jupyter Notebook, I'll tell you what to do, right? So for example, if you want to run a simple Python code, that is print hello world, right? You don't press enter. If you press enter, you go to the next line. Okay, you have to press shift and enter, then this will run. This is how you will be doing programs like for I in I'll say Python, the most simple program, print I, right? This will be printing Python, right? So for that, to execute this set of code, that is this line, this particular block, you have to press shift enter. So this is it, right? This is one big untitled, this is one big notebook, as the name suggests. So this is how you will be using Python code. If you want to delete a block, you can just press this, I think cut selected called break, sorry. So and for you can also edit a block. If you want to edit this hello, just hello, shift enter, it will print only hello, right? For now I'll be cutting all the blocks, and you can also give it a title if you want, data science with Python. So we'll be doing everything in Jupyter Notebook in this particular course. Okay, so this is your Jupyter Notebook. After that, you have installed Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. You need to install NumPy and Pandas. NumPy and Pandas are two modules in Python. So of course, you have to also install Python also. The name of the topic is data science with Python. So you just type here. I'll be telling you how to install the module. Okay, you just type Python and not this. Sorry, type Python and you might see this e app. right? Do not open this app, open the file location, and you can see this is a shortcut. So open its file location again, and you can see this is the Python folder. This is the main folder where your libraries and everything is included. So go to script, right, and type here cmd, right? So this window will be open. Then you have to do pip install numpy. Okay, so I think I've already installed numpy, so yeah, requirement already satisfied. And pip install your pandas. I've already installed panda, I guess. This is my another system, that's why. I think it's installing. So basically this is the idea of how to install, how to pip install everything. You can also do it on VS Code if you know how to, but this is also good. This is basically the basics. So yeah, it's installing pandas. This is my another system. In my previous system, it's already installed. So this is it, I guess. These are all the installation required for this particular course. So best of luck for the upcoming videos. I'll be uploading the videos soon. Thank you for watching.